Hi, it's Doug again, and thank you for coming to another home tour. Today we're at 3311 Steveston Highway in Richmond. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. It's 3,379 square feet on a 66 by 120 square foot lot. It is listed right now at $2,498,000 with Anne Pichet of Sutton Group Seafair Realty. Come on in and let's take a look. Well, we're inside the home now. Beautiful double-story foyer here. I just came through these double glass, leaded glass doors here. Beautiful work on this. The moldings around here, the casements, everything in this home is done really well. It's an executive home. You have 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms upstairs. You got a den over on this side, and over here we have our formal living room and our dining room. So let's take a look at these. In our formal living room, we have a gas fireplace with a marble ceramic surround, beautiful maple floors throughout the home, large front window, a nice tray ceiling goes up very high in this space, brings in a lot of natural light. The dining room is right next to it, so as a formal area with your lounge and your dining room, and right now it's set up that 6 people are here. You can put in probably more people, larger table, got enough room for a buffet, another tray ceiling, wonderful chandelier here, and these doors, we've been looking at these doors, there's a few of them around the home with this solid glass inlay. It's really nice work. Great flow, goes right into the kitchen. Come right into the kitchen, you've got an eat-in area here as well, and plus your family room. It's all together. You get to see outside the backyard, so if you're a large family, the kids are playing out here. It's a nice fenced-in backyard. You can see everything. But this kitchen, what a beautiful kitchen. Large open space, granite countertops, gas cooktop, microwave oven up top. You've got a fridge sitting here. They placed a butcher block here, but you know, this is movable, so you can put it anywhere you want, but also down the road, if you wanted to put in a fixed-in island, there's a lot of space here. And talk about space savings, I want to show you this. I thought that was an interesting little space. These cabinets with the pantry doors here are just amazing. Definitely something I'd want, but there's a secret one here too. It's hiding right back here. So don't forget, you got a lot of space, big pantry area here. I love the backsplash. It's almost like a ceramic granite backsplash here. I love the design of it. Your microwave with your light down here. You've got a great kitchen corner sink right here, and you can see out the windows. You have a great patio, which we'll get to later. Great entertaining outdoor space, and we'll have some fun over there. You got eating kitchen space here as well, light overhead, beautiful French doors that open up to the backyard, so you can have them open during summer, have a nice breeze and enjoy a casual meal here or breakfast. And then of course, you still have our formal dining room. And right here off the kitchen and the dining area, we have this large family room. And do you see this TV? Do you want to see how large it is? It's an 80-inch TV. It's great. We've got a fan up above, lots of windows again, a fireplace right in the middle, gives off a lot of heat, as you can see. Perfect for those colder Vancouver days when you get a lot of rain. There's a lot of space here for a lot of furniture. You can have a love seat and a sofa, but what's so great about this space, it's connected to the kitchen. Everyone can be talking and see each other, but at this end, we have a recreation space. And right now they're using it as a gym. So right now they're using this room as a gym space. It could be a perfect recreational space. You have a pool table, ping pong table. Right now they have a few weights. They have the runner right here. So you can use it for anything you want. Maybe an in-law suite, maybe for your in-laws to come and visit, and you put another bed in here. Accessed outside, they've got a little screened doggy door there as well. So it's a great space, extra bonus space that you can use for anything you would like. All right, well, let's go upstairs now and check out the bedroom areas up this beautiful staircase. I love the movement of the staircase, and I love the wrought iron in here as well, and the caps on it. We come to the top of the stairs and we have our primary bedroom through here. This is one of the largest bedrooms. It has enough space for a king-size bed, and it has enough space in here that you can put a bedroom suite. Now, you can't find a lot of homes around that allow you the opportunity to bring in your large pieces of furniture for especially your bedroom suite. I mean, this is a lot of furniture, and it is still masses of space right in here. Ceiling fan up here. You have your walk-in closet right here, and then your primary bathroom is right here. You have a single sink, good countertops, a lot of storage, separate shower and toilet. Coming out of the primary bedroom, again, you have the staircase right here, but there's a beautiful family bathroom right here with a tub and shower combo. Love these railings. Right here is one of our other bedrooms, large space for a lot of furniture. So this one also has a bedroom suite in here. Great for a teenager or children. It's perfect space. Let's check out the other bedrooms. This is a third bedroom. Right now, there looks like they're using it for a bit of a hobby space, a sewing room, little office upstairs. Nice view of the backyard here as well. The other bedrooms down the hallway are located at the end. We have this one large bedroom at the end here. Good space, faces west. A lot of natural light. We have another family bathroom on this level right here with a shower and a nice skylight coming through, bringing in a lot of sun. And over here we have another bedroom, another large bedroom. All the bedrooms in this home are very large. They take a lot of furniture and a lot of bedroom suites. So perfect for kids, playrooms, even for teenagers, space for them to put their desk, have a little sofa, have their friends up. Great family home. Well, that's upstairs. So again, we've got 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms up here. So let's head downstairs and check out the powder room, the laundry room, and then we'll head out to the backyard. All right, right off the foyer here again from the front entrance, there is a powder room here, but there is a den, an office space here. So it's a nice space directly off the front door. So if you work from home, you can have clients come over easily enough and come right into the room. And just outside here, we also have the powder room. That's here, a beautiful powder room. There's a lot of wainscoting, and if you take a moment, you can see the wainscoting, the detail, but they have this beautiful wallpaper underneath with a lot of texture and feeling to that. It's awesome. So right here is a laundry room with a side-by-side washer and dryer and a sink. This is the access to your 2-car garage. So let's head out to the backyard. It's a special backyard, great for entertaining. Let's go take a look. come out of the kitchen eating area through these two large doors. There's hidden screens behind these as well, so you can keep them closed during the buggy season. We come to this 800 square foot Kayu wood patio that has everything here. We're talking a seating area for dining, a seating area for sitting around for a gas fireplace. There is a barbecue here, which is natural gas connected to the house, so that's perfect, no more propane tanks. You also have outdoor little kitchen with a sink, griddle, and then there's 2 burners here as well, extra storage below. You have this wonderful gazebo that's covering this gas fire pit, so you can sit out here and enjoy the fire pit in those cooler summer evenings. But you know, we're going to get into summer and it's going to be awesome just to be outside in this area and entertain. I would believe most of the families out here the whole time. Lovely space for dining, and then this large backyard. It's huge, a lot of space, so if you have children, this is a great spot. Little fountain here, bit of a garden. They have a vegetable garden here, a raised one. You have a shed out the back, beautiful patio at the back here as well. So if you even want to spill over into this area here, lots of patio space. Nice sunny backyard. Well, that's the end of our home tour today here at 3311 Steveston Highway. Again, I'd like to thank the listing agent Anne Pichet of Sutton Group Seafair Realty for allowing us the opportunity to view this home. Her information is in the description below. You can contact her. And again, if you like this channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next tour.